Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. This is a moisturizer that anyone that lives in the cold conditions or gets super dry skin in the winter needs in their life. It's the Dr. Jart Ceramidin cream. This moisturizer, in my opinion, is a game changer because it is a thick formula that goes on so lightweight and not greasy at all. It doesn't clog your pores. So the cream itself, you really only need a pea-sized amount. A little goes a really long way. So this one tube of moisturizer can last you a really long time. Personally, what I like to do is use it at night. I mix my favorite face serums with just a little bit of this moisturizer and apply it all over my skin. And I'm just so impressed how my skin is instantly moisturized and it actually lasts for a full 24 hours. I don't have to keep on reapplying. And I do have acne prone skin. It's quite oily, but this moisturizer, it really sinks in right away. It doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy. I don't get any extra breakouts. I'm just super impressed with this moisturizer. Anyone that gets flaky, dry skin in the winter has got to try this. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.